Greetings, everyone. I am Ondasan Worku. Today, we return to the very genesis of mathematical thoughts, the natural numbers. While they appear deceptively simple, the mere act of counting objects, they actually represent the first profound abstraction of the human mind. Whether we define them through the lens of Peano's axioms, starting at 0, or the classical counting set, beginning at 1. These integers form the bedrock of all arithmetic. Join me as we explore their properties, their constants, and why they remain the most essential set in the mathematical universe. What is natural numbers? Natural numbers are the basic counting numbers used for counting objects, ordering things, and many everyday calculations. They form one of the most fundamental sets in mathematics. Two common definitions important to know. There is actually no single universal agreement about whether 0 is included. Most school level and everyday usage, especially in many countries, natural numbers are equals to positive integers starting from 1. N is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to positive infinitive. This is often called the set of counting numbers. Many university level, set theory, logic and computer science contexts, natural numbers are equals to non-negative integers starting from 0. N is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to positive infinitive. 0 is included because of Peano axioms, empty set cardinality, etc. Key characteristics of natural numbers. They are positive. They are whole. No fractions or decimals. They go on forever or infinite set. They are used for counting, ranking, and basic arithmetic. They never include negative numbers, fractions, decimals, or imaginary numbers. Main properties of natural numbers. Under addition and multiplication, very important for arithmetic. The first property, closure property. Adding or multiplying two natural numbers always gives natural numbers. Example, 7 plus 12 is equals to 19. Still natural. 8 times 5 is equals to 40. Still natural. Commutative property, order doesn't matter for addition and multiplication. A plus B is equals to B plus A. A times B is equals to B times A. Associative property, grouping doesn't matter. A plus B inside the bracket plus C is equals to A plus inside the bracket B plus C. A times B inside the bracket times C is equals to A times inside the bracket B times C. Distributive property, multiplication distributes over addition. A times inside the bracket B plus C is equals to A times B inside the bracket plus inside the bracket A times C. Identity elements, multiplication 1, because any number times 1 is equals to same number. Addition, no identity in natural numbers. 0 would be, but 0 is usually not included. No subtraction or division closure. 5 minus 8 is equals to negative 3, not natural. 7 divided by 2 is equals to 3.5, or not natural. 5 best and most illustrative examples of natural numbers in real life. The first example, counting fruits on a table. You have apples. 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, 7 apples, 15 apples. All these counts are natural numbers. The second example, house or apartment numbers in your street. House number 1, house number 23, apartment 456, floor 12. Almost never starts with 0 in normal addressing. The third example, Students present in a class. Today, 28 students are present. There are 45 children in grade 5A. 28 and 45 are natural numbers. Pages in a book or chapters. You are reading page 137. Chapter 9 begins. Page 1 is the first page, not page 0. Scores or goals or points in games or sports. Football match, Team A scored 3 goals. Basketball, 112 points. Exam, 98 out of 100 marks. 0 goals is possible. But many people still say the score starts counting from 1 upward. When listing positive achievements, natural numbers are the foundation of almost all mathematics you learn in school. Arithmetic, fractions, algebra, and more all build on them. Question number 1. According to the school level definition provided, what is the smallest natural number? A. 0. B. Negative 1. C. Positive 1. D. 0.5. Answer C. Positive 1. Question number 2. Which of the following is not a characteristic of natural numbers? A. They are positive. B. They include fractions. C. They are whole numbers. D. They form an infinite set. The correct answer is B. They include fractions. Question number 3. In which context is 0 most commonly included in the set of natural numbers? A. Early learning or school level. B. Counting fruits on a table. C. Page numbers in a book. D. Computer science and set theory. Correct answer D. Computer science and set theory. Question number 4. Which property states that adding two natural numbers will always result in another natural number? A. Commutative property. B. Distributive property. C. Closure property. D. Associative property. The correct answer is C. Closure property. Question number 5. The equation A plus B is equals to B plus A is an example of which property? A. Identity property. B. Commutative property. C. Associative property. D. Distributive property. The correct answer is B. Commutative property. Question number 6. Why is there no identity elements for addition within the school level set of natural numbers? A. Because natural numbers are infinite. B. Because 1 is the identity for multiplication. C. Because 0 is usually not included in the set. D. Because negative numbers are excluded. The correct answer is C. Because 0 is usually not included in the set. Question number 7. Which of these operations lacks the closure property for natural numbers? A. Addition. B. Multiplication. C. Division. D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Division. Question number 8. Which real-life example typically uses natural numbers starting from 1? A. Temperature in Celsius. B. Calculating bank debt. C. Numbering pages in a book. D. Measuring 3.5 liters of water. The correct answer is C. Numbering pages in a book. Question number 9. The property expressed as A times in the bracket B plus C is equals to A times B in the bracket plus A times C is called A. The associative property. B. The distributive property. C. The identity property. D. The closure property. The correct answer is B. Distributive property. Question number 10 or the last question. Natural numbers are often referred to as A. Counting numbers. B. Imaginary numbers. C. Negative integers. D. Decimal numbers. The correct answer is A. Counting numbers.